Hi everyone, I'm Kirungi Andrew, the official host of Andrewsoft YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to repair an DELL Inspiron 15 laptop using a step-by-step detailed tutorial. So with that few introduction, let's roll it in. Now we shall start by unscrewing these nuts. As you can see, after we can detach the battery, we remove the battery. There is also some nuts below there. So let's start by opening the nuts. Just open the nuts by unscrewing anti-clockwise. Now we can remove the battery, but we first unscrew these plastics. So you follow the order of the lock. You see here the lock is open and here it's closed. So if we are going to remove the battery, we take the lock. We take the lock to the right. The same applies this side. Now after taking this lock, these ends, we just remove it. The battery is removed and you can see the nut here. This is the RAM, network card. Then here we have a nut for the DVD-ROM. So here we just open, we just put in, we open. So now we have finished removing the cover. What we are going to do is we are going to remove the processor and the RAM plus the battery. I have already removed it. Then we put on power. We power it on for a few seconds, like 5 seconds. Then we again remove the power, put all these things back. We again test and see what's next. So now I've connected the power. Yeah, it's already displayed. Wow, 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 wow. So here the machine is already running. As you can see, it is warning the AC adapter. I hope I must connect its real adapter. So now here I've temporarily connected the keyboard. Here, as you can see, the hard disk is down and here it is starting. So this is the final testing. Then we assemble it back. Thank you very much for watching this video. If at all you have any questions, drop it in a comment. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram. You can text me on WhatsApp. All my links are down in the description. Please like, give a thumbs up, please subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you very much. God bless.